wants to be roasted when he already looks like a struck match? Yo, if one more person calls me burnt, if one more person says I have no dad, if one more person says I do drugs, motherfucker, all three of those things are false. Maybe if you would sleep instead of posting on Reddit, you can get rid of those eye bags. That's actually great advice. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's actually bad. I do need to sleep more. Thanks for being considerate, bro. Black gay man will wait. Okay, bro. You will appear on a t-shirt. What does this mean? Is bro saying he's gonna kill me? Like, he's gonna put me out of t-shirt in that way? Or what is he talking about? Like, I don't understand. This picture actually was, bro. This picture is so bad. It does not do me any justice, bro. At all.